Overthinking the idea of starting your digital product business is what's stopping you from starting a business that can literally change your life. Oftentimes, people overthink starting a business because you're afraid of who may see you, you're afraid of your family seeing you, you're afraid of someone seeing you who is really not even paying attention to what it is that you are doing. Oftentimes, people never get started because they are too scared to put the content out there that can literally change their life. But today, I want to help you to overcome that fear and to stop thinking about what people may think about you so that you can start getting paid from selling digital products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. How to stop overthinking so you can start selling digital products. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys how to use your passion, your gifts, your talents so that you're able to start a digital product business. So when it comes to starting a digital product business, most people are afraid to get started because they don't want people to see them. But can I be honest with you guys and tell you, people are not watching you the way that you think they are. Most time people think that their family is going to mock them. They think their friends are going to find them. They are so afraid of what their coworkers may say if a video of them were to be seen on social media. But the truth is, there is a whole big world out here who needs to see what it is that you have to offer. You have to understand that you have to stop overthinking everything, and that starting a digital product business can actually change your life. The thing about the devil is he wants you to believe that you are not capable and that people are watching you and that people may judge you. But can I be honest with you and tell you guys, you can literally start a digital product business where your face is not even seen. You can start a digital product business with a new name. You can start a digital product business using a AI twin where it's not even you. So why are you afraid of showing up online? The thing about it is, even if you were to show your face online, people are judging you every single day by assumptions of what they think. So because people are always going to have an opinion, people are always going to feel entitled to say something, why should you worry about it when you can be getting paid for it? Like, what I've realized is you have to look at things in a different perspective. If people are going to talk about you just to be talking about you, they may as well be talking about you while you're getting paid for them to talk. If you were to start a digital product business, the worst thing that can happen is someone from your hometown, your family, your friends, whoever it is that you are afraid of seeing you, can see you, support you, or see you and talk about you. But either way, it's still good for you, because when people see your content, if they are engaging with you, even if it's them sharing it to their group chat with their messy friends, that is still helping you out, because one of those people just may purchase something from you. So a lot of times you have to stop overthinking what if, what could go wrong, and who may see, and start thinking about what could go right. One thing about it is the algorithm knows exactly who it is that is watching you and who wants to see more of your content. So if someone was to see your content and they may not be interested in it, you don't have to worry about them seeing you again. And if they do, eventually they'll see you so much to the point where they say, let me see what this is that she's talking about. And you guys, I can tell you from experience, like, I've been doing business since 2017, and when I first started posting content, I was posting on Facebook. So if you know Facebook, if you're on Facebook, that is literally everybody that's in your family, that's your friends, that's going to be old co-workers, new co-workers, that's going to be everybody in your hometown. But guess what? I did not care anything about it. The worst thing that happened was the people who envied me, the people who talked about me, they end up purchasing things from me. They end up needing my assistance. They end up giving me my flowers privately, you know, some people won't tell you publicly, but they end up telling me privately how they was so proud of the things that I had done and how they wanted to do exactly what it was I was doing. So you have to look at this. One thing about people is people start to click onto what it is that other people are clicking on. So when you look at things from a business perspective, you have to say, okay, people don't understand what I'm doing now, but the more I do this, the more they will see what this is. So start changing the way you're viewing things. Start changing the thoughts that you're having, because having a overthinking mind can literally stop you from starting your business. You guys, I can tell you, starting a digital product business will literally change your life. Like, I started my business. This isn't my first time starting a digital product business, but this time I'm really taking it serious, and I've been posting, and I'm consistent, and I'm making sure I show up online because I know that it's life changing. But so far, you guys, I've made almost $12,000 since the month of April of me actually being consistent. So, you know, that may not be a lot for somebody, but for me, that has allowed me to cut my timing on other things that I was doing as a business owner, and it has allowed me to get up every single day and to do what I love to do, which is to educate, which is to teach, which is to motivate, encourage, and help people understand that we have to get out of our own way, and we have to start these businesses because generations behind us, it depends on it. Like, you have to start looking at this as you no longer have an option, and what people think about you, it does not matter. When you leave this earth, you want to make sure that you're leaving knowing that your kids can be taken care of. You don't want to leave with your kids having to worry about throwing a fish fry just to bury you. You don't want to leaving your kids with all of that debt. You know, like, these things are very important in our community, and we have to make sure that we are doing what we need to do while we are here, so that we can make sure that is not our situation. One thing I do not want to do is leave this earth leaving debt to my kids. Everything that I invest in, I want to make sure that it is 100% debt free. So that's why I am so big on teaching you guys how to start your digital product business, because I've started so many different companies, but starting a digital product business is the very first business that I started that does not cost me to make money. So I'm able to literally run this business and not have to pay out in order for me to have profits. Now, you do have to pay, you know, fees on whatever website that you decide to host your digital products. But you guys, the amount of money that you can make from selling digital products, those little 3.5% fees are nothing compared to how much profit you're still going to bring in. So I always say, start a digital product business, because a digital product business can literally change your life, and it is money that can be passive income for you. You create a course, you create a PDF file, you create a ebook, you do this one time, and after you do it, the only thing you would need to do is to market the content so that you're able to make consistent sales. So it's like a business that you cannot go wrong in. The only way you can go wrong is by you not starting. So if you have been thinking about starting a digital product business and you've been overthinking it and you need assistance and you're ready to get out of your own way, I want you to go down below and grab my freebie. In this freebie, I'm literally teaching you, if you are a beginner, what digital products is, and I'm also giving you 100 digital product ideas that you can decide to start with. But if you're ready to actually start making money and you're ready to start your business and get launched in 24 hours so that you can be like me and have free time to do what you decide to do on a daily basis, you can take it a step further and you can go ahead and purchase my PLR mini course. This course is going to give you the tools that you need to get your business up and launched within the next 24 hours. And you guys, I'm giving you digital products that you can go ahead and get started with. In this course, I'm teaching you step by step of what to do, how to do it, how to get up and launched in literally 24 hours. And I'm also giving you different digital products to choose from. So the only thing you will have to do is upload those digital products that I give you into Canva, change the cover on it, and upload it into your stand store. So if you're ready to start making passive income and allowing your money to work for you, make sure you go down below and you check those out in my comments as well as in my description of this video. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go back and watch other videos just like this so that you can get the content that you need to start your digital product business. I cannot wait to see how your journey goes, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.